Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix the camera quality is very poor on your Realme Narzo 15A. Then you're having a lot of trouble for the cameras and how you can fix this up completely. So let's dive into it. So the first thing is you have to make sure that you're not turned on your battery in the power saving mode. Then definitely you will be having this issue. This is very important, so you just have to do that part, and you have to make sure that it is not in the power saving mode. So if so, you'll be having the issue. As well as in the same way, when you are not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, when you're having any kind of trouble also, the one of the solution is just disable from the power saving mode and just have to use it up, and most probably this has to be fixed. And moving on to the next solution is all about you have to make sure that your device might not have sufficient storage space available in the same, which makes the stored image is in the low quality format. As you can see, we have the camera over here, right? So we have the camera, and you can start using any kind, you can start capturing anything, and we have an options like this you can capture. And when you're trying to capture some kind of image, as we all know, this is going to save up, right? As you can see, these are the photos which we took very recently, and also you'll be able to see this up. And also if you go back over here on the camera, even when you're trying to capture something, you'll be definitely having a lot of kind of issues. So as you can see, this is being recording right now. So if I'm going for any kind of videos, it is being recording. So as you can see that in some cases what happens is if you don't have any kind of enough space, right, I have to say, if you're not having any kind of phone storage, then definitely you will be having the issue. Okay, so it is very important that you should be having the phone storage so that these kind of things will be saved over here. As you can see, we have the camera. Now the one of the photo which we take very recently saved over here. So it is very important that you have to having enough space. Okay, then the image stabilization options always help you to keep up the pace all the time when it comes to the picture quality. So like you can do this up, it's up to depends on the person, but I'm not suggesting that. And also you have to make sure that the problem is not caused by any operating system bug. If the screen appears totally blank upon opening the camera app, then OS bugs are often held responsible for this. As you see, so that you can make sure, you have to go over here and you have to go for software update, and you have to check for any kind of updates, and if updates are there, just update. It is very, actually, as you can see, we have an update, so we just have to go for the update, because sometimes the OS can cause the issue, a lot of messy issues, and this is what you have to do. And don't use this the camera zoom feature beyond the limit, as often cut down the picture quality, which everyone knows that there is no important. And image resolution selected by you in the camera settings can impact the quality. As you can see, we have the resolutions and all these things we can do over here. We can do everything over from here itself. So it is very important that even if you go over here in the settings, we have many options, as well as you'll be having many kind of options when you're trying to capture the photo. So when you try to bring something very unwanted, definitely the picture quality will be completely very poor. So this is very important too. And also this problem can even happen during a video call because of the signal issues. So even I have seen it a lot, because we have very recently updated a video on how to fix the Wi-Fi issue on iOS 15, as well as on the camera issues. So when the people using FaceTime for a long period, definitely when there is no good signal strength, then definitely they'll be having the issue. So this can happen, the issue up in between, so which you have to aware of. And capturing the picture or videos in the burst mode, right, which is also very important. When you're trying to capture something in the burst mode, which will be definitely causing the issue up. So this is very important. As you can see, when you're trying to zoom in for a lot, and that can cause the issue when you're using something which you don't need, and you will be definitely having the issue. Then we have more options like this, as you can see, slow-mo, pen, all these things. So you have to use these under respective scenarios, not often. So they'll be definitely making you a lot of issues up. So this is very important. And also select the shooting mode as per the nearer visibility. That's what I said very recently. I said you have to shoot this according to need, right? So definitely then the camera, there will not be any kind of poor quality issue on the camera, then because you are according to it. So if you wanted to do something, imagine that I wanted to capture this Deadpool over here. Imagine that I just wanted to capture over here. I can do it in between over here itself. I don't have to make it into any kind of zoom or something like this. Imagine that I'm going to do this. So we don't have any kind of qualities here. So this is very important, and you have to do according to the situation. That's the very most important thing what you have to do. And there are any kind of chances, I have to say, in Realme Narzo 15A suffering from a hardware issue, then this issue can also happen. Even after you checked on the OS, you have made sure the camera is working good, you have checked other things, and you have made sure that it is on the latest version, and you have checked all the software part which can be done over here. And even if you're facing the issue, then I must suggest that the issue is related with the hardware. This is not only hands, you have to meet an expert, you have to book an appointment, you have to talk to the Realme stores, the service centers, and you have to get in a consultants from them. They will be definitely helping you guys out. And also you have to check the last and the least, make sure the problem is not caused due to not capturing the images, keeping the phone, you have to totally still. For example, imagine some people have a habit, even I have to say, we have just got this phone very recently, so we use this purpose. So not only this, for every single phone we use here, we use it daily, like for all that kind of applications on the topic. So keep in a habit of using this. If you keep something over there and if it's completely dusted, if someone's taken from children's and use them, definitely they'd fall in. Kind of issues can happen. So all these possible methods which I said right now, these are not technical. These are some of the, literally I'm speaking, even though there are some technical part, even there are some parts like there are technical, but these are the reasons why it is happening. If you only all the time focus on software and hardware, you can't fix the issue. As I said, you have to do according to the needs of when you're trying to capture something, which is very this is logically I'm speaking. I'm not saying in a technical part or software part here, but even sometimes the logic makes a lot of happens, right, to fix the issue up. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.